We're having a challenge of what the hell is this? So that's that. That's actually the hottest noodles I've ever tasted. We have here the milk, and we both ate fork full of noodles already, and
I'm dying.
we actually
I'm dying.
talk about waiting for 5 minutes before we can drink those milk. That one is my enemy. There you go. So what do you think? I'm not
Feel ko dagdagan pa natin.
sure. Oh, one more. We're actually having second shot of this hot noodles. Woo! There. It's not that hot anyway. It's okay.
Wait, because I'm gonna be adding chili sauce.
What sauce? Hot sauce? You're going to put another hot sauce? Oh my god. Wait, let me just check on that first.
I checked it.
Over here told me to put another hot sauce, extra hot sauce. There you go. Okay. Oh, enough. Enough. Cheater. Okay. That's it na.
Wait lang, mix it.
And that's for another 5 minutes, okay?
Can I drink water? Milk?
Huh? No. Another 5 minutes, please. Wait, go. Go.
Wait lang.
What?
I'll record. And then you eat time. Because my camera is very nice. And it's bigger, so make it bigger.
Wait. Okay na? Let's stop.